Hello everybody, my name is Sviatoslav and I improve my eyesight in a natural way. In this video, I want to share with you the dynamic relaxation to improve your eyesight. This technique should always be used to if you are doing eye exercises. With the technique of dynamic relaxation and simple swaying, you get relaxation and relieve tension from the visual system. The visual system is located in the cerebral cortex and it controls our eyes. Relaxing this psyche respectively relieves tension from the eyes. When relaxing your eyes, eyesight gets better. When entering a relaxation state, anxiety and fears go away. When you start doing eye exercises, be sure to do it in a good mood. And there should not be sad thoughts or anger or negative thoughts. Because of any negative thoughts, they will strain and spasm the eyes. If you do exercises in this state, then the spasm caused by these negative thoughts will only intensify. Don't exercise your eyes in any negative thoughts or when you are anxious or sad. Dynamic relaxation first. Eye exercises are done gently and lightly. You can start like this, swaying to the right, to the left. Just sit on a chair closer to the edge of the chair and calmly straighten the back evenly without leaning on the back of the chair. Put your hands on your knees and little by little move from the right to the left, from the left to the right. This state of dynamic relaxation comes by itself, but you need to look for it. To do this, first you can swing a little more, gradually decreasing the amplitude of movement and find a state that you are most comfortable doing what you want to do and do in the state you want to be in. You can move only the muscles of the neck at first. You can move the shoulders along with the neck. You can move the upper body until the waist. You can move forward, backwards, or in a circular movements. The most important thing you need is to find pleasant feelings, such movements that you want to do, and after a couple of minutes, automatically you will have a relaxed state. In a relaxed state, the effectiveness of any eye training will improve. Anxious thoughts will automatically go away. And the most important thing from this state, when you start, let's say to do an exercises for the neck muscles, they will acquire a completely different plastic character. Eye exercises will be pleasant and gentle, and you need to find those relaxing movements for the neck. You may want to yawn. Yawn is good to stretch eye muscle and to reset them. If you want to stretch, do it for sure. This means your body has found some kind of clamps or tendons that you need to stretch and relax. And even the eye muscle also want to stretch. It's normal for the facial muscle to stretch a little. Your body may want to stretch forward or backwards, which means you are on the right track. This auto-regeneration process will auto-restore your eyes and the whole organism. It goes successfully and in such a state that it's a state of dynamic relaxation. Do this relaxation before performing oculomotor exercises or during breaks from work or laptop or phone. Relax your eyes. It's better to start any eye training from relaxed state to set the correct relaxed rhythm of eye movement. A relaxed state makes any vision training 10 times more effective. In a relaxed state, disturbing thoughts goes away and relaxation sets in. Any vision training should necessarily end with relaxation to relax the eye muscle after training and achieve maximum result. And then you will restore your vision much faster. Many people cannot restore their vision just because they have some kind of disturbing thoughts that don't allow them to let go of the muscle spasm that in general provoke all eye diseases. Subscribe to my channel, ask questions in the comments below, and watch my other videos.